please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, y'all, today we are going to be sublimating on a SubliStone Slate. Okay, this is what the tutorial is going to be about. I actually got this from a company called Blanks in More. So that's where I got this from. And I'm going to leave that link down below. Okay, this is actually a photo of my friend and this queen here and her beautiful princesses. I actually took these photos and I love them. I did it was maybe about a week or so ago. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be providing this to her as a gift. So I'm really excited to give her this because I absolutely love it. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing today. I do want to give you the measurements for this. The actual slate, it says is 5.5 by 7.5, and that is true. If once you see it, I'll show it to you. Once you see it, you'll see that that's correct. However, the actual amount that will be the actual amount that we'll be sublimating on is only about 5 inches by 7 inches, maybe like 5.2, 7.2. So I actually measured it, and I'm going to print the image at 5.4 in height and 7.4 in width. Okay, so I do want to let you know that, so you'll know that. Okay, so what this is actually called is a rectangle gloss SubliStone Slate. And it's on sale, y'all. Go and get it. It's $6. It's normally $9. Go ahead and get that real quick. Blanks, the letter N, more.com. I'll put it down below as well as in the description. And this is actually has a gloss finish. It's made of an actual stone with chipped edges. The edges and back are dark charcoal gray. The SubliStone comes with 2 black stands to display on any desk or mantle. And yeah, you could customize it however you want. The settings for the temperature is 400 degrees, and the dwell time, the time that we're actually going to press this, is 5 to 5:30 minutes. Okay, and that is actually 330 seconds, but I'm going to do it for probably 345 because I want to make sure we get good in there. Okay, and the pressure is light to medium. So these are very important when you're doing sublimation. You want to pay attention to the time, the heat, as well as the pressure, because that'll change everything, right? So I do want you guys to know that. And I'm going to go ahead and print this out. You guys know that I'm using, if you watch me, you know that I'm using Epson Workforce 7720. So that is what I'm using for my sublimation. And my presets are already set, but I will just briefly go over it. If you don't know what my presets are, please watch. I have 2 sublimation for beginner videos. You can watch that. You can also watch how I converted my printer. I have a ton of videos, so I'm just briefly going to go over this, not even really in depth because I've done it so many times. My media type is premium presentation paper matte, and it's quality normal, and like I said, that mirror image is already there. I ain't got time to be printing out and forgetting to mirror the image, because every time you sublimate, you want to make sure the image is mirrored. So I ain't got time for that. I go ahead and put that in my presets so we could go ahead and get that popping. Okay. Also, let me think what else I want to say. Let me print this, and then I'll go ahead and meet you guys over. I'll catch y'all. I'll check y'all at my table that I actually work out of. Okay. So, Lego. So I have my handy dandy alcohol. Literally, I'm just using a little bit to clean off the surface of this to make sure it's fine. So once again, I got this from Blanks and More, and I'll leave the link down below. And here it is. She's going to be grateful for it because it's going to be a gift to her. And then, like I said, we just wipe it with a little bit of alcohol. We just wipe it with a little bit of alcohol. We could even let that dry. Make sure nothing stays on there. But this is beautiful, and this is heavy, y'all. This is nice. Look at the details, okay? We're going to let that dry. And then we're going to see how the picture fits on there. These are sharp, too, so be careful. It's heavy. It's nice, though, and these are the stands, so you can set it up this way or this way. This is the way I'm going to set theirs up. Okay? Everything is all printed out. I cut it all off. If you guys know me, if you've been following me, you know I put this under the heat press, which you might have already known. So I put it up under there so it can dry and get really, really nice. Okay? Alright, so everything is all set. I'm going to make sure this is a sub paper today. I'm going to make sure that it's the correct size. It's a couple ways that you can check that. If you look, it literally is perfect. It literally is perfect. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the heat press. You can tape it if we want to make sure nothing moves or goes.
What is smooth? What was I saying? I meant slides or ghost. I'm sitting here making up words.
To make sure it's perfect. Okay, I have it under the heat press. Okay, I have the bottom, the butcher's paper on the bottom so it can protect it. And then I'm going to put the butcher paper on top. I made sure it was taped. And then I made sure that my screw in the back, it was enough to give the light to medium pressure. Because you want to make sure that it's not the wrong pressure. Okay, so I'll put it on there at
400 degrees for 4 minutes and 45 seconds. And honestly, for my heat press, that was too long. So it kind of, I don't want to say like burned it, but the paper kind of got stuck and all the air just let out of me right there. Look at me, y'all. I was so sad. I thought it was ruined, but spoiler alert, it wasn't. What happens is when it's too hot, some of the paper like sticks to it. So I was just staring at it and I'm over here like, oh goodness. So I honestly think I may have to do for my heat press 400 for 4 minutes. See? So you see that? It's like some stuff on there, but your girl go figure it out. We go fix it. I grabbed some of them alcohol wipes and was cleaning that off and got some goo gone.
But baby, it's beautiful. All right, I'm happy. Woo, yay! Okay. All right, I'm happy. I'm like, wait 1 second here. This thing is hot though. Okay, so I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit more. I was able to fix it. See, yay! So I think it's probably gonna be 4 minutes.
And even after this shot, I got some more goo gone once it was completely cooled off and got all of that off of it. Yay!
I'm happy. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, yay!
And that's a wrap. I was able to get everything off of it. Now you see that? It's glistening. Yes, I'm so happy. All right, y'all. Like I said, that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, I know I threw another one up in here, right? I had to. I was like, I have to do this. Like I said before, I'm the photographer for the pictures for my beautiful, beautiful friend and her beautiful, beautiful daughters. I love them. Yeah, I had to get this though. This is gorgeous. Well, if you guys have any more questions, concerns, anything, remember later on this week, I'm going to be dropping the actual winner for the giveaway, and I'm going to be showing what I'm giving away, all of that good stuff. I have a couple good videos, hopefully, that you guys enjoy coming up. So, yeah, thank y'all for your time. Y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. And remember, follow your dreams. They know the way.
Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.